Good morning, freedom-loving friends and family. It is March 10, 2022, and we're out in the garden today, rebuilding the 25 by 50 after the collapse from all of the snowfall. Making pretty good progress, and we're just preparing the farm here for the early planting, all of the cool season crops and root veggies we can get in. And a quick update on the sky art. A little bit busy. You can see the gauze, the white across the sky, but it's about 60-70% blue. And then over toward the east, you can see again the lines and the gauze, but largely have a nice late winter day here to get the work done, and gotten a little red wagon out, listened to a little bit of Dave Matthews and Tower of Power and some of my favorites while we're putting in the purlins and the bracing and the door on the end. Hopefully we'll have this thing squared away this week and can get this one going. Anyway, love and miss all you family, and you freedom loving folks. Be out there and be planting your victory garden. Grow your own food and get healthy in your body, your soul, your mind, your spirit, and just enjoy the things that the Lord has made. Your higher power has given you all these things, and you should do your best to take advantage of them. Feed your family, have some food security, and be kind, be a good human. Have a great day, folks.